Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best air switch is probably one of the most underrated kitchen gadgets, but trust me, it's a game changer. Tired of fumbling with a wall switch with wet hands? An air switch offers a safe and convenient way to control your garbage disposal. In this video, we'll dive into the world of air switches, exploring their features, benefits, and why you might want one in your kitchen. Number 5. CLEESINK Garbage Disposal Air Switch Kit. This air switch kit from CLEESINK offers two button sizes. You can choose the short or long button based on your countertop thickness. The short one is for stainless steel sinks and the long one is for thicker countertops. The power supply cords are UL attested for safety and long-term use. It is designed to work with voltages from 110V to 130V, ensuring safe operation in your home. Installation is tool-free. The countertop hole should be between 114 and 134 inches. It fits standard sink holes, but you may need to drill one if needed. This kit is compatible with any garbage disposal brand, up to 2 HP. It works with Waste King, ISE, Moan, GE, and many others, making it a versatile choice. Remember to cut any excess hose. Avoid coiling the hose between the button and the power module, as this can affect the switch's reliability. Ensure it functions correctly. What we like. This air switch is UL certified, ensuring safety and long-term use. Installation is a breeze, requiring no tools and fitting standard sink holes. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-install air switch that works with any brand of garbage disposal, this is a great choice. What people say. This thing is air-gapped. And it's great. This means there is zero interaction between electricity, water, and your hand. You plug the switch into your existing outlet, and then plug the disposal into the new box, like an outlet expander or extension cord. That box then only turns on when you activate the switch. After using it, I can't really see how that would happen. You have to depress the switch about 1 inch to 1.25 inches past the bezel in order to activate it. The further you press it, the harder it gets. It's an air-activated switch, remember. It feels very natural and satisfying. And the button press has to be intentional. Number 4. CLEESINK Garbage Disposal Switch, Brushed Nickel. Introducing the CLEESINK Garbage Disposal Switch. This handy device makes operating your garbage disposal a breeze. It's designed for convenience and safety. The switch comes in two sizes, short and long. Choose the long button if you have a thick countertop, like granite or marble. The short button is ideal for stainless steel sinks. The power cords are UL attested for safety and long-term use. It's suitable for voltages from 110V to 130V, ensuring safe operation in your home. Installation is a snap. You can plug it into the socket without any tools. No extra screws are needed, saving you time and effort. This switch works with any garbage disposal brand, up to 2 HP. It's perfectly compatible with Waste King, ISE, Moan, GE, and more. It's a versatile solution for your kitchen. Make sure your countertop hole is between 114 and 145 inches in diameter. It fits standard sink holes for soap dispensers, making it a seamless addition to your kitchen. What we like. This air switch features a cordless design, making installation incredibly simple with its plug-in setup. The stainless steel finish adds a sleek look to your kitchen. If you value a clean, modern aesthetic and a hassle-free installation process, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. Easy installation, matches sink, turns on and off, work one push off the button. Works great without issues, easy to install. Easy to install and works flawlessly. Looks great too. Number 3. SinkTop Air Switch Kit, Matte Black Finish. Introducing the SinkTop Air Switch Kit, featuring a sleek matte black finish. This stylish design complements any kitchen decor, matching your black faucets perfectly. The plating on the surface subtly reflects light. This air switch adapter is designed for all food waste disposers, even dishwashers. It's easy to install and ensures your disposal unit functions smoothly. It's a versatile addition to your kitchen. The air switch button cover is made of high-quality brass, ensuring durability and longevity. It also features a drainage hole on the side for added protection. It's built to last and withstand daily use. This air switch set is waterproof and anti-leakage, providing peace of mind. The design prevents any potential water damage. It's a safe and reliable choice for your kitchen. The air-activated button can be easily installed on your sink or countertop. It comes with 2 gaskets for a stable installation. It's a simple upgrade for your kitchen. The kit includes a 3.20 by 3.19 by 1.97 power adapter, a 60.00 air tube, and a 40.00 power cable. The air switch adapter button measures 3.58 by 1.25. It requires a 1-to-1-4 countertop hole and supports up to 2 HP disposals, with UL certification. What we like. This air switch boasts a stylish matte black finish and a high-quality brass cover, adding a touch of elegance to your kitchen. The waterproof design prevents leakage, ensuring durability. If you like a stylish and durable air switch, this is the one for you. What people say. Easy to install and works flawlessly. Works great and does what it's supposed to. It is very easy to install and does not require much space within the sink base cabinet. Number 2. InSinkErator STS-OOSN Air Switch Kit. This kit includes a 1.25-inch diameter SinkTop switch and a UL-listed dual-outlet power module. It's designed to make your kitchen tasks easier and more efficient. The dual outlet allows you to plug in a second kitchen appliance. It's perfect for those who want to maximize their under-sink space. The satin nickel finish adds an elegant touch to your sink area. The push button is a convenient alternative to a wall switch, ideal for kitchen islands. It fits into a standard 1.375-inch hole and mounts easily to your kitchen sink top. You can set it up yourself with the included instructions. This product is UL listed, ensuring it meets safety standards. It also comes with a 1-year over-the-counter replacement warranty. What we like. This air switch features a dual outlet, allowing you to power a second appliance. Installation is easy, fitting standard sink holes. If you have an InSinkErator disposal and need an extra outlet, you should consider this. What people say. This is simpler to do than replacing a faucet. You do need an outlet under the sink. In my case, I'm updating a disposal that was switched at the wall, so I just leave the wall switch on at all times, and use the new button to turn the disposal on/off. The switch is interesting, it's actually a little air pump, and the line is a hose that connects down to the under-counter unit. This means there is no electricity up where you might be splashing water, nice safety feature. I was a little concerned about it being mushy, using air to actuate the main unit, but it just works flawlessly. The air switch uses a small hose and button, eliminating the need for complex electrical work. I placed the button on my sink's countertop, far from water sources, which feels safer, and code compliant. The satin nickel finish blends seamlessly with my faucet and fixtures. The button sits flush against the sink, avoiding the clunky look of some switches. Number 1. SinkTop Brass Gold Air Switch Kit for Garbage Disposal. This air switch kit features a stunning brass gold finish. It is available in 7 colors, with a high-quality, durable paint. This will add a touch of elegance to any kitchen. The air switch set is designed to fit any food waste disposer, even a dishwasher. This makes it a versatile addition to your kitchen setup. It ensures seamless integration with your existing appliances. The air activation button is easy to install on your sink or countertop. It can be mounted via an island. 2 gaskets and an enhanced copper nut provide a stable installation. It includes a 5.43 x 2.83 x 1.81 power adapter, a 60.00 1.5 m air tube, and a 40.00 power cable. The air-activated button is 4.00 times 1.25, with a 1-to-1-4 countertop hole. It supports up to 3 HP and is UR certified. This product is waterproof, anti-leakage, and anti-lightning. There's a drain hole on the side of the air switch button to prevent water from entering the air tube. This ensures safety and longevity. What we like. This air switch features a beautiful brass gold button, adding a touch of luxury to your kitchen. The waterproof design and durable paint finish ensure longevity. If you like a premium look and long-lasting performance, you should consider this. What people say. The metal construction feels substantial and high quality and matches my sink fixtures really well, entirely different from plastic variants. Easy to install. Works smoothly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.